How to make Judge Me reviews show on home page on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page is go over to the left-hand menu option and select Online Store. After doing that, you're going to tap on Customize in line with the theme that you're using. Once you're on the editor page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option once more. And from the left-hand menu option, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Add Section. After selecting Add Section, you're going to tap on Apps. Once you have selected Apps, from here you have a few options. So since we want the reviews to be displayed, we could select Review Widget. After selecting Review Widget, you can see that the reviews have been added right here. If it was a case that you would like the star ratings to be displayed, like what you see on my products right here, all you would need to do is tap on Add Section. Then from there, after selecting Apps, you will simply select Star Ratings. And after selecting Star Ratings, you're going to tap on Section. And you'll simply drag the star ratings up to the featured collection. So you simply drag the star ratings. So let me do it real quick. So for example's sake, if I were to go into featured collection, let me remove the star ratings. All we'll need to do is tap on Add Section. After selecting Apps, you'll tap on Star Ratings. Then once you have added the star ratings, from here you could tap on Section. Then you're just going to drag the star ratings up to the featured collection section right here. Once you have done that, you can see it. So it's not displayed at the moment. So all you'll need to do is tap on Star Ratings. After you have tapped on Star Ratings, you could tap on Select. And from there, you could select the product that you would like to add the star ratings to. So let me go back real quick. I'm going to add it below the product page. So let me add it right here. And you can see it right there. You can see the star ratings has been added. So I added it below the product title. You can choose wherever you like it to be displayed. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.